Hey everybody, welcome back. We are still building park animals, set 31044 of the Lego Creator. We're finally on the puppy, so yay to that. We're in the middle of some legs, so hopefully you are caught up a little bit. I don't know, maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe this is the very first brick building fun video you've ever seen, and you have jumped in to the middle of building legs. That's perfectly fine. I hope you still enjoy the video, because that's why I make them, and because I enjoy them. Let's see. Even though the instructions don't say to yet, we're building 2 of these legs, so I'm just doubling everything. Let's see, how are we looking up there? Good. Cameras are well positioned. It's always important when you're making videos. Okay, there, and there. Just like before with the other leg, unless you didn't see that part. There we go. Then 2 of these, and 2 of these. We're running out of 1x1s, but that's fine. Why would we want a million of them lying around? There we go. Next. Couple of these, and a couple of these. Okay. There we go. Lego is such a fun toy for people who like to build, especially people on the autism spectrum like me. Let's see. I may not seem like it, I may not talk like it, but I am indeed diagnosed. And you know, it's like everything else about you. It doesn't have to be a terrible curse unless you want it to be. You know, maybe you're left-handed and that could be a terrible curse to you, or you could use it to your advantage. And that's kind of what I'm doing with this channel. I'm taking an obsession and making it work for me. There we go. I don't think I talk too much about being an Aspie. Arf, arf. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. Let's see. But I thought I'd mention it a little bit here, in case anyone watching this, I mean, chances are anyone as interested in Legos as I am is also on the spectrum. So you can know that your hero is one of you. It's me, I'm your hero. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Okay. Now we're doing something 4 times. There we go. And there we go. So 4 of those. Let's just let's do it like this. I don't know. Whichever way feels the fastest and easiest. Although now that I'm doing this, it kind of seems like this is probably the slowest way of doing this. But oh well. There we go. Now these are going to be the feet, the footsies. And we're going to put them down here where we've put the grabbers, so this dog does not have claws like you may have thought. There and there. Got some cute little puppy paws. And they angle up nicely there. There we go. All done. No. Not done yet. Oh, now we're going to build the head, which looks a little bit like the squirrel head. I don't know, but bigger. It's probably nothing like the squirrel head, though. Here and here. So we do one of these. Let's see. There and there. I know there are some people who hear someone's on the autism spectrum and they think, oh, they get shocked. Like, I don't know. Some people get upset about autistic people doing what they like to do. Being successful in things other than menial labor. Not that there's anything wrong with labor. I mean, if you're a stalker at Walmart, great, you know, you're doing something. But I just hope that you have a way of doing what you really like to do. There we go. Okay, only one of these. I got so used to doubling steps that, although I probably am going to need to do the same thing on the other side. Probably. Let's see. Then again, I think people who are unhappy don't like seeing anyone who is happy. Misery loves company kind of thing, you know? So you get people wanting others to be miserable simply because they are miserable. Let's turn you around. And you can't let them win, you know? You gotta find a way to be happy, even if that upsets other people. Because they need to find a way to be happy. Let's see. There's a grabber. Right down there. Just like that. And another one of those. And we turn this around and we put this little nose on. There's the nose. Oh, it's a puppy nose. Okay, one of these. A couple of these. And so many of us on the spectrum are victims of bullies. I'm certainly no exception. Of course, I'm not really bullied anymore, but when I was in school, it was pretty bad. Not fun. But eventually, you grow up and hopefully you get over it. I know it's very easy to turn that pain into anger and to lash out and hurt other people. But that will only make it worse for you. And for them. Why spread? Oh, look at that. It's already starting to look like a puppy head. Cool. Why go around spreading misery when you could just do the thing you like doing, like building puppies out of Legos? Two of these, one of these. This goes in the middle to bridge the two, and these go on the side. There. And there. And then one of these. Right on top of all that. Right on. Looks like we're almost done with this. Which is good timing. Okay, now we're gonna get these little eyes so you have a lot of freedom to make this puppy as crazy cross-eyed as you feel like. Or we have an extra eye. I could... No, I can't really give it 3 eyes. Oh well. There we go. And that goes there. How cool is that? Okay. Oh, okay. Now we're going to build the lower jaw. Two of these. One of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So we take this, we go bloopity bloop, and bloop, and bloop. There we go. Oh, I see. Pretty simple. We got a little pink tongue there. Although, to be really accurate, the tongue should go all the way out. Like, it's so fun to watch my dog run toward us because her tongue just flaps out her mouth. Like a flag. Now we're going to do the ears. Okay, two of these. I'm assuming, yeah, they're giving us the instructions on how to do both of these at once, which is good. Here and here. And you go ahead and stick those right on the head. Doesn't look much like ears yet, but it will. I assure you it will. Okay, then these go like this and this. Oh, and then we're going to make some ducklings. We'll do that in a second. Bork? Okay, let's do some ducks now. Some little ducklings. Let's make way for ducklings. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So there and there. There is one duckling. There and there. There's the one after one. Oh yeah, two. Two ducklings. And let's do this one a little different. Oh, no, no. Did it differently and messed it up. There we go. 3 ducklings. Quack, quack, quack. And we got some extra pieces, including an extra eye. We could make one of them a freak eyeball duckling. No, let's not do that. All right. Anything on the next page? Nope, just a parts list and more Lego Creator advertisement. Excellent. We're all set. We're all done. All right. So check you later for the very special project that I mentioned in a previous video. That was going to be this one, but wasn't. But it's coming. It is next. So see you then.